Right now, thousands of Nigerians are stuck in traffic chasing jobs that pay 50,000 naira per month. What if I told you there's a parallel economy where your location doesn't define your income? Today, I will show you 3 proven remote jobs that pay in dollars, require no degree, and can be started today. By the end, you will have a step-by-step plan to escape the rat race. Let's dive in. AI companies desperately need humans to train their systems. Your job: label images, transcribe audio, or rate responses. It is like teaching a child, but you get paid 300,000 naira per month, which is simply amazing. And how to start? You simply want to sign up on Scale AI or Appen, alright? I'll be leaving the link in the description, alright? The second step, you want to take a qualification. So guys, this isn't just a job, it's a passport to freedom. Now imagine earning commissions every time someone books a flight or hotel while you work from your laptop. So guys, I have different students that are already making money from this, alright? So guys, you just want to be determined, and this is going to be an interesting one, because now those of you that will be joining this training, I'll be sharing different things with you, alright? You have Ngozi from Abba, alright? She made more than 800,000 naira last month paying families planned vacations, and that you can actually do when you actually join this training, and it is totally free, alright, at no cost to you. So guys, like I said, you simply want to click on the link in the description to actually join this training. It is totally free. So guys, when you join this training, or when you're done with this training, you're going to get certified, and you can also use this certificate whenever you want to apply for other remote jobs, alright? And guys, this is really going to be an interesting one, I can assure you. And take note of this: the first 50 people to join today get my client attraction blueprint, and this is worth more than 50,000 naira. So I'll give you this for free. So use the link in the description before time runs out. So you're going to get access to this directly on my Telegram channel. So there's a way you can actually reach me when you are on my Telegram channel. So take note of that. Now, crypto projects need moderators to manage their communities. No tech skills, just basic English and a smartphone, and this pays between $500 to $1,000 per month, which is simply amazing. And you can find these jobs on platforms like Crypto Jobs Daily, AngelList, Telegram. So you can make use of Telegram, right? So we have different stuff you can learn on Telegram, and you can also make use of crypto jobs groups. So on crypto jobs groups on Telegram, you want to get us, you can get access to all this, all right? You can get access to different jobs. For those that will be needing the application template, I'll be leaving this template, all right, in the description also, so you can make use of this template, and you can also see this template right here on your screen. The project name, I have moderated 5 Telegram groups now with the numbers, all right, maybe 200 plus members, and I'm proactive, responsive, and crypto curious, and ready to start immediately. So you can make use of this template to actually get approved. And guys, let's quickly recap. We made mention of AI trainer, which you can earn 300,000 naira per month, and also the second one, which is travel agent, and you can earn unlimited commissions, all right? Unlimited commissions. So guys, this is really amazing. Travel agent, please don't miss out on this, all right? And the third one, which is crypto moderator, and you're going to earn $500, all right? And the only question is, which one will you choose? So guys, if you got value from this video, please make sure you actually subscribe, like this video, and also share with your friend. Thank you. I'll see you in the next one.